Unlock the secrets to finding even the hardest to reach prospects and supercharge your outreach with Batchleads skip tracing. Let's dive into how Batchleads makes skip tracing a breeze first. Navigate to the skip tracing section within your Batchleads account. You'll see a clear option to either upload a list or enter data manually. For maximum efficiency, we recommend uploading a CSV file. Simply map your existing data fields to Batchleads' recognized categories. This ensures the most accurate results. Common fields include name, last known address, and any existing phone numbers or email addresses you might have. Once your list is uploaded, Batchleads goes to work. You have the power to select exactly what kind of contact information you're looking for. Need a valid phone number? Want to pinpoint an accurate email address? Batchleads can uncover direct lines, mobile numbers, and even email addresses, often with multiple options to choose from. Observe as Batchleads enriches your leads with highly accurate and current contact details. You'll see verified phone numbers, active email addresses, and sometimes even alternative contact methods that can make all the difference in connecting with your prospects. Batchleads is committed to responsible data practices. We ensure all data is sourced ethically and complies with relevant regulations, giving you peace of mind as you expand your reach. Finally, you can easily export your Skiptrace data, ready to be integrated directly into your CRM or marketing platforms. This streamlined process allows you to quickly move from discovery to connection. Maximize your lead generation and connect with every prospect. Start skip tracing with Batchleads today and transform your outreach efforts.